We're going to perform a forward assist in the standing position. I need an animal handler to approach the horse on the left and add an emergency rope halter. Tighten up the back portion up above the pole. Excellent. Stand back. He's going to do his job as the animal handler, controlling the horse. He doesn't do any other person's job. I need 2 people with webbing on opposite sides of the horse. You're going to approach the horse. You're going to put the webbing across the top of the horse at the wither, which is directly at the end of the mane. Hand your webbing across to your teammate. Allow it to drop down. The person with the tool is going to reach between the horse's legs and grab the webbing, one at a time. Yeah. Now you can stand up. Grab the other piece of webbing and pull it forward. At this point, we need to organize the webbing. It looks like it's nice and smooth. Pick up the pieces of webbing. Animal handler stays in a safe position. And what we would do if this horse was alive was we would ask him to step forward at this time. We would use consistent pressure. The beautiful thing about the forward assist in the simple configuration when the animal is standing is once you get him forward and out of the situation, you literally drop the webbing, drop it, and he can walk or jump out of the webbing at that point. It no longer means that you have to be in the situation.